this tutorial, I will walk you through how to create a round image directly in WordPress. You will not have to use expensive and complicated software like Photoshop, and you will not have to have any knowledge in CSS code or HTML, since this will be made directly in WordPress with the Divi builder in the Divi theme. If you are unfamiliar with Divi, I can recommend you to visit divimundo.com to find out some more and also find some discount links. So, just to explain the concept here, if we click one of the round images, you can see that the source file, the original image, is actually square. So we haven't made anything to the image file, it's still square. So we just applied an effect on the picture in this place. So this means that you can reuse this image in several areas, several sections of the page, and you can use it as a square background image in the top, and you can have a round image in the Contact Us section, and then you can have a semi-round image at another place. But you only have to upload one file and you will work with the same source file. So this will save you a bunch of time, and it will also save you some money, since you don't have to invest in Photoshop or any other expensive software. So we start out by enabling the Divi Visual Builder, and we'll recreate this row here by pressing the plus sign and insert a 3-column row. We'll start out with inserting an image module and clicking the image to import the first portrait. So we can see here that it's a square image. So we'll recreate the background effect here. We want a plain white background in the row. So we click the content and the background tab and choose white. We also want to add some more space inside of the row, some more padding. So we go to the row settings, design tab, and choose spacing. We'll use some custom padding, 30 pixel top and 30 pixels to the bottom. We use the chain icon to connect these values, so we have the same values for top and bottom, and we'll do the same for left and right. So now you can see that there are some more air, some more spacing in this row. We also want to add some drop shadow to this row, so we go into the design tab again and the box shadow section, and we just choose one of the standard box shadows. So we're getting closer here to the section above. Now the reason you came here was to create a round image, and that is what we will do right now. So I go into the image settings here, and I will go to the design tab and border. And you recognize the chain icon here saying that a change to one of these corners will be applied to all corners. So I can take this toggle and grab it and pull it just to fine tune the rounding of the image. So you can see in real time how the rounding is applied both to the image and to the circle here in the image settings. If I deselect the chain icon here, I can apply changes to a specific corner if you want to have an uneven image. But I want to have a perfect circle and round image here, so I will actually type in 100% here instead of working with pixels, because this will always give me a circular image effect. So I've created my first round image. So we will save here. And now we have the two other guys here. So here's another neat little trick that will save you some time. You can just hover this image, and if you use a Mac, you press Command C, and if you use a PC, you press Control C to copy this image, and then you hover the other area where you want to paste the image, and you use Command V or Control V to paste it. And this means that we will duplicate this image. We'll have two versions of it, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll press Command V here again on my Mac. And now we can just go to the image settings and replace the image with a new picture. And this picture will inherit the design settings from the first image since we copied it. So all the design settings is saved and we don't have to redo them. And we can do the same thing with the last picture, just changing the image, and voila, we have 3 round images. So this will save you a bunch of time and it makes the design process a lot more fun than editing the images with Photoshop and then upload a bunch of different formats and images. So good luck with the design work.